Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we will be testing Cloudflare Drop, which is the latest tool released by Cloudflare where you don't need to create account, you don't need to create anything, you just need to drag and drop your HTML, JavaScript and CSS file and it will create a live link for you. You don't need to add your credit card, don't need to sign up, anything at all. Just drag and drop and it will have your website ready. So this is where you need to go, cloudflare.com/drop. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to generate a basic website using OpenCode, and OpenCode is the competitor of Claude Code, which is an open source. So Claude Code is a paid coding agent and OpenCode is an open source coding agent which can do wonders for you. I'm going to create a separate tutorial for that, but this one is for Cloudflare Drop. So let me create a basic landing page. So I'm just going to open OpenCode. Sorry for the error of the command. Here we have the OpenCode open, and I'm going to use a free model. Yes, OpenCode have free models as well. So I'm just going to say, please generate a landing page for digital media agency. Nothing fancy, just a simple landing page. Only use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Hit enter and let's see what we get. And once it's ready, we're gonna just zip it and upload it to Cloudflare Drop to see what we get. Okay, you can see that we have this index.html ready. I think it just created one file. I'm gonna open it to see what do we have. Let's open up in the browser. Okay, so that's the basic landing page which it created. It does have some animation and it's just 3-4 section. Okay, now let's test it out by dragging and dropping on Cloudflare Drop to see if it works. So I'm just gonna drag and drop this index.html file, and here it's asking for terms of service. I'm gonna click on accept. Okay, here you go. You can see that our website is live. Now you can share this link with anyone over the internet. It's not running on the local host, it's running on the cloud servers of Cloudflare, and you can claim it just by logging into the Cloudflare. So I'm going to click on claim to see how it works. First, let's copy this URL and open it up in the new tab to see if it works fine. Yep, looks fine. I'm going to check it in incognito window as well. So I have now incognito mode open. I'm going to paste this URL and should be working fine. Okay, it does have security verification. And now you can see my basic landing page, which I generated with just a single prompt, is now functionable and it's running on Cloudflare Drop. Now let's try claiming it and let's click on claim. And now it will require a Cloudflare account. So I'm going to log into my Cloudflare account. Okay, I'm logged into my Cloudflare account and it's now saying that this claim link will expire in 57 minutes, about 40 seconds. So whatever link you will generate using Cloudflare Drop without logging in, it is going to expire within 1 hour. And if you want to make it permanent, you just have to log into your Cloudflare account. And once you click on claim after logging in, you can basically, so I have multiple Cloudflare account. I'm going to select one of the Cloudflare account, click on confirm. Okay, you can see that my site is now live. Now all I have to do is just add a domain name just by clicking on add now, add DNS settings of the domain name, and my landing page is live. So it took less than a minute to generate the landing page using this new coding AI agents, and then dragging and dropping to Cloudflare Drop and making it live by adding the domain name. So that's how fast it is going to become to create these new landing pages generated by these new coding AI agents. One thing to note is that it's just accepting HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So if you're creating a dynamic WordPress install or React or Next.js server install, it's not going to work on that. It's just going to work on plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but it's super fast if you want to generate a nice looking landing page for the Facebook campaign or any marketing campaign where you don't need any dynamic features. You just need to add some pictures, add some content, and put out your offer using the marketing campaigns. You can do with Cloudflare Drop in just a minute, and it is completely free. I don't have a paid Cloudflare account yet, and I'm using it on free account, and it is working on my free account, as you can see here, right? So that was the demo of Cloudflare Drop. Let me know in the comments below if you had a chance to play around with it, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get more latest tools and new trending AI tools which are coming on daily basis. So do not forget to subscribe. That's it for this video. Have a great day.